So on this, yours is already labeled, but basically you have from left to right, nothing, green, black, white. You can't really see it, there you go. And then from there, the way you hook these guys, also if you need to order them, electrode. You place the black one on their right wrist, tell them to take their watches off and stuff, and then your white and green, basically. You know how to put those on. And then, after that, when you start the program, so I'm gonna pull up the Dr. Jeff app, and you're just gonna, once everything's plugged in, you click run session. And when you do that, you're gonna get this. So, once it starts booting up, basically you're gonna get a reading on this guy. Yep, it's just starting. And then you basically need to wait till this 2-minute mark for this graph to start. So, okay, so now that we've reached the 2-minute mark, this graph is gonna start playing. When you do that, you come to sweep control and you press play. The table starts vibrating. Also, we do not use headphones, we just use the table vibration. And you're gonna take the frequency that's written here once this goes from blue to green. So as that frequency is going, this number has been changing, but since we now just crossed over from blue to green, that is the person's frequency, 62.538, a B. This stuff is like octave and whatever. Basically, once they cross over to green, you're gonna press stop, and you can save that frequency, which I put in another video. If the person starts green and then goes to blue, you need to wait until it goes back blue to green, and then you take that frequency, that crossover point. And that's it.